Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you need to open your Facebook application. And after you have opened your Facebook, you can click on these three lines to open your profile. And then click on the settings icon to open the Facebook setting. And just go to the account center to change your name. Okay, click on profiles and click on the Facebook profile again. And here guys, you can change your name on Facebook. Click on the name and you will be able to change your first name, middle name, and last name. And after that, you just need to click on review change and your name on Facebook will be changed automatically. Alright guys, and that's how we can change our name on Facebook. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.